tests with us. One is goodness to fit, other one is your chi-square of independence. Let's take one by one. So first, let's consider goodness to fit, where we say our observed values are equal to the expected value. That's a hypothesis, which means our observed values are equal to a expected value. So in this chi-square test, it's a categorical test. We would not be requiring any numeric value into this. Mean, mode, median, standard deviation would not be used here. So in my case, we have a chi-square test. So where we are saying that our null hypothesis would be our observed value is equal to our expected value. That's a null hypothesis. Alternate hypothesis would be the observed value is not equal to expected value. Let's take a use case, then we take into a deep dive into the formula. So goodness to fit is to validate our observation, which we are expecting is the same as we are getting. It's a spelling mistake, sorry for that. So it's a value. So actual value is what? Winter we are expecting some value 45, 48, 55, 52, and expected value we are having 30, 50, and 60 likewise. It could be based on the critical table which we have created. Let's hypothetically, I'm taking some values here just to validate. In winter case, we have variation of, let's say the formula would be a summation of observed minus expected square divided by expected. So we are doing for winter, spring, summer, and fall separately. We are summing up individually. So it is coming around 9.0507, that 9.07. The formula would be chi-square, summation of observed minus expected divided by observed minus expected square divided by expected. So we are summing up all. We are getting value like 9.07. So critical value comparison, in my case, we have 4 observation. My degree of freedom would be 4 minus 1, that is 3. Our significance level is what? 0.05, the 5% significance, and p-value of this chi-square test would be, let me validate this test also. So we have table, you can download these tables also. So we say in chi-square, we are in degree of freedom as in my case 4. And my significance is what we are validating is what? 5%. 5% significance would be around degree of freedom is what? 3, sorry, my bad. This is around this. 0.05 is what we are expecting. The primary objective would be what? So we are validating tables on your data points. Approximate value is same. So as my outcome, which I'm getting is greater than this, we can say values are not same. There's a significant difference between observed value and expected value. That's an outcome from this test. So as our observation or our critical value, which we are getting from table is 9. As our critical value which we are getting from the table is 7.815. And our calculated value, which is being calculated based on the formula, is 9.03.